That's saying 104 degrees Fahrenheit. We are dying here in Jamaica, but this is not the point of the video. But today I'll be doing some shopping from the GoFundMe money. By the way, the GoFundMe money is going towards the hurricane relief efforts in St. Elizabeth that Beryl caused. Yes, that girl Beryl. She want to just give destruction and torment wherever she goes. But yeah, this is the first trip now to St. Elizabeth after seeing some of the damages. By the way, I got a few stuff from Massey. I got a baby food, so I'm not leaving out the babies in this one. I remember the babies. Diapers, wipes, sanitizers. So today I'm just going to do some shopping, see if I can get some solar lights or if I can get some battery lanterns. But for this first trip though, it's just about assessing and looking at the area and see where exactly the GoFundMe money can go to help. But I just want to get a better grasp of the situation, look at what's actually going on, who actually needs the help, and then I'll have a better understanding of how to split up the money, how to go deeper past the non-perishable food items and to physical stuff that people may want. But speaking of the GoFundMe money, let's check how much we have right now in this account, or how much GoFundMe has sent to my Chase account, because that's a better way to understand it. So the first one that we see right here from GoFundMe payout, $193. I'm just put the calculator right now. $193.30 plus second one, $488.85. $488.85 plus $230.94 plus $230.94 plus $252.97. $252.97. Now let's see how much that equals to. So that's $1,166. So far the GoFundMe has raised $182,294.59. So I'm going to use that, not all of it today, but that's where I'm going to take some of the cash from to buy some of the items today. I don't know if you hold it. I want to go down and buy a plyboard.
Some battery flashlight out the tarpaulin.
Yeah, we could look at the tarpaulin. The tarpaulin done? Alright, so let me get, we start out with 5 pounds at the nail and 100 screw, 200 hurricane strap. I don't know, and it's the electrical part the upstairs, right? Third floor, light in the third floor.
What you want in an electrical?
I'm going to check if I have the solar light them, or solar bulb them. Alright. So this is the first stop. Our bill at done scheme 2, 40,000. Better yet, let me show you, because I ain't no scammer. Bill came to $40,602.15. Alright, so we didn't have the tarpaulin and didn't have any flashlight and didn't have any solar light, so the quest for solar light continues. So we're going to go another place in Halfway Tree and see if we can get some lights and tarpaulin. The place I ever full up. The place I always full up.
Spanish or English?
Bonjour, no?
Bonjour.
Italiano. Alright, so when we say there are no tarps and we're not going to have any tarps to bring down, but so far we have extension cords for the charging that we want to do. But the way it look right now, look like rain will fall. Can't take on the downtown or the rain. Can't take on the downtown night traffic. Actually, if they are tarpaulin. Watch. You see? That's the 1.5. I get some rechargeable lantern, but only 9 alone them have left. So one time I could get, I buy one X heavy duty extension card. Them have no inverter also, no generator. Them say generator come next 2 weeks. Them completely sold out. Yo, Halfway Tree are the worst when it comes to traffic and parking, and you have to just fling up your car anywhere and then police have to come and ticket you. But there's nothing. The congestion here is ridiculous. I'm sending out Alicia to see if she can get some bags that we can bring down your care package them some way. I will link you guys up if I get no update. But yeah, this is it for now. Yo, one whole day of shopping done, still not get the tarpaulin, still never get the power banks them. Never get a lot of stuff we really want to get, but tomorrow's another day. So tonight now I go home and pack out as much as the bags them as I can pack out. Finally reached back home, and now we're going to be packing out all of this. A lot of food stuff in there, so food stuff, baby food. So this trip mostly for baby. Mostly for baby. So again, Massey contributed all this, so thank Massey very much. Then we have some lights here. See them there. So we have a couple of them here in here, so. And then we have some hurricane stuff here. So people who want batteries, put one of them appliances, hurricane strap for make sure so this don't happen again in the future. Anybody who have leaks at them windows or stuff like that. We have the silicone, and then we have the zinc nails, and then we have zinc screws, and we have some zinc nails. So for now, I'm going to use this and charge up these lights, and then we're going to get all these stuff packed away. We'll see if we can get everything else done tonight, and we check in back with, if not when the night done, I'm on when we are head down. Good morning. So, yeah man, I hit this now, 7 a.m. and we're just leave out to go St. Elizabeth. The car is loaded. Yeah, that's it. See if we can get some food at Juicy. So no, there's no real trip to St. Elizabeth unless you pass through Juicy Patties. Yes, we're devouring it. Change off the vehicle and everything, so now we're in St. Elizabeth. So we're going to hand out a couple of these stuff. And yeah, we see, tell them how it go. What I really don't want to do is maybe let's just record people. Because and everybody want them face for sure and them thing, and we completely understand that. So I'm not really record anybody face. If anything, just blur out them face and keep them anonymous.
How are you feeling?
Nervous. I overthink all of this, but as Gio said, Bookrum said you're doing it for the right cause, and as long as you're doing it for the right cause, just execute. We just want to show the people that donated their money that just want to show them where their money is going. It's not a hype thing or a publicity thing or not like that, just to show people where their money is going. So now we're going up by a household that was affected close in my community. And we're going up by that household just to hand off a few supplies. So the house over there, it have the roof off, the button off, so we'll check if nobody is home. Hello. How go on? Yeah, so we have the nail. I want to get strap already, not sure?
Yeah, man.
So I want to get everything.
Little by little,
Yeah, we might pass back through again.
Yeah.
This time maybe zinc or something, but we see.
Yeah.
We see how it go. Alright, yeah?
Alright, you take care.
Yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, man. So we might come back with zinc and we see how well the money is dispersed. Alright, so now we're on our way to Junction. And we're going to meet up with a crew of people, the rest of the entourage, and really get this show on the road for today.
We got some cakes from Cookrums, although, yeah. But we're going to see if we can get them sliced up and distributed. Let's see how that goes. I guess the church is fine.
Yes, man, they did ask me if we say, oh, the church, but the church, you look fine. Alright, cool. So I'm just pick up my brother in Dylan, and now we're on our way to Southfield, and we're just going to do everything that we can possibly do today to help out. So this is the second house that we saw that needed some help, but we couldn't see anybody. We searched around the area, we stopped and we look, and we just couldn't see anybody to hand out to, so unfortunately we just had to pass. Nobody cut yourself in. Yo. Man, height come in handy already. It's a blessing to be tall, man. Wait there.
Except when lights start flashing.
Alright, so we're in a Southfield right now. And the thing is, a lot of people gone church, a lot of people gone funeral. So I'm just going to find like a central location, somebody that I know in the community, and then I will hand off a couple of care packages to them, and then people can come and pick it up. Because we see a lot of people already when them gone church. Sometimes we leave it with somebody until they come back. So we have that baby food here, and we'll just leave it. So I down here 2 strap here, so with some of the zinc nail them. That's how I actually want.
Yeah, I want that back.
Sure, when I like them too? Yeah, man. So we're in a Southfield right now. We give out a few stuff. The thing is, a lot of people don't want their faces to be shown, and I get that, and I completely have no problem with it, and I oblige by it. The aim of this video though is just to show you guys, or whoever contributed to the GoFundMe, that your money is being put to good use and things are being donated. So we see JPS and we see Flow, and them are put in the work, but you know, as humans we're kind of impatient more a while, but we just have to be patient and we just have to let them do what they have to do and just hope for the best. What's a concrete post root up on the ground? That's a man who that post him. What? Like, honestly, what did I just say there? It's like whenever you're in St. Elizabeth or you come from a certain area and you're amongst your people, you can let loose and chat the raw chop patwa like what you used to. It's like when you go to America and you're around a lot of Americans. They will say white people, but you know, when we're around a lot of Americans, we tend to bring on a little bit more of the standard English. Maybe some of us even start to twang a little bit. And that is how it is sometimes when you're in another setting. You speak properly sometimes and you don't go so hard hit with the patter. But when they're around my girlfriend and one of my best friends, you know I'm going to just let loose and chat the patter. So what I said there was that look on all the light posts, they are bent. Are all the light posts them benny? But I went extremely fast and said, look, all the light posts them benny. So that's what I said right there. So yeah, back to the video. Now I'm on my way to Monroe, and Monroe is the windy city. That's what I call it. Because on a normal day, the breeze just blowing heavy up there, so you could just only imagine what it felt like when the hurricane was passing through. The breeze is blowing for sure. I would not try. We just watch it. Could you imagine on the hurricane? I wonder everything up and blow away. Huh? Sorry, now I know say a Powell Town. If I send one vehicle for deliver something, yeah. I go tell them for drop it right. Olive Row. Olive Row.
Yeah.
Powell Town. I come from St. Elizabeth and we see all of this long as and we say, Jaja, St. Elizabeth are people who love their farming and hustling it, so they don't really need. Yeah. But when you see something like this happen,
my God,
the whole country have to come in and help.
Thank you, I tell them, just give me 2-bedroom bathroom and veranda, and that is it.
But you don't mark out feet already?
And you don't mark out feet already.
See 2-bedroom over there, so?
Yes.
See your veranda there if you want, your living room and your kitchen.
Same way.
Anyway, mark out.
Nothing, no, but steal it up.
As you know, we started a little GoFundMe initiative, and so far, we're just going around doing an assessment and we donate a few stuff, baby food and all them stuff, but the people that really need hardware. So as you can see, Miss Olive right now, she's from Powell's Town. Powell Town,
Southfield.
Powell Town, Southfield. So as soon as you come out of Southfield Town and come down the hill, you see on the left hand side, just look over to the left and you see that this is where the house went down. So as you can see, just the foundation laid, and nothing big neither. So we can well put together some money to the cars and we could buy some supply like block, cement, and steel. So we have some money out of the GoFundMe left. So immediately now as hardware open up, we'll at least try to put in an order and see if them can get it delivered down here. I'm going to send it down
yes,
here.
Man. You can't live like this. I pray night and day.
I'll make them drop it right here. So
so glad.
So hopefully when more people can see that video, them can also push out.
Yeah, but several of them came here, you know, several.
And it's not, and let me tell you, I know me force to put her on camera. I don't believe in to put people on the camera, but she said she want to come on the camera, she want the help, so.
Yes, I need the help badly.
The contact information, I'm going to leave a link to the GoFundMe, and we'll see how best we can get things down here, alright?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry yourself, mommy, we get it out here.
Thank you.
Being that it was so organic and such a busy day and such a heartfelt moment, we didn't even have time to whip out the cameras to show us handing out the stuff that we brought there. So me, Dylan, and Odysseus, after we did the filming part, like the three of us, we went into the trunk of the CRV, and then we just started to hand out packages. And it was so, you know, heartwarming because you see a lot of people in and around the communities, because there were a lot of houses even further beyond, around the corners, go over a little hill and you'll see more people. In that small house that they were staying, it was a school, and you had like maybe 3 to 5 families staying there. So we handed out a lot of stuff. We handed out almost all the baby food, almost all the hurricane straps, almost all the supplies that we had, the lights, everything we handed out there, because there was a lot of families there. When my girlfriend handed out the jelly fruit snacks to the kids, they were like, "Mommy, are they going to come here every day?" Yo, that just, Jaja, like some of us think that the hurricane didn't happen, or, oh, the hurricane didn't come because it didn't happen to us. We said, oh, the hurricane didn't come to Jamaica. Yo, it happened, and it uprooted a lot of families. So we just have to give thanks and show some empathy to people who actually got through it. So after Powellstown, we went to Seaview. You still have to go. Solitex have to go change, you know. They have to go change, so Solitex have to go. Solitex release. Wait up, wait. They can feel it on the ground, so it's soap, water soap. Watch out, boy! So drop down, man. Jaja. And just looking at this house, you could feel how water-soaked the house was. When your shoes are up on the ground, you can just, I don't know how to explain, but you can just feel like, yo, water was here. You could see the visible marks on the ceilings. Yo, they really went through it. She even said that they were inside when the hurricane was taking out the roof and everything. So that must have been a traumatic experience.
For the VHS Sphere, man, subscribe now. You see it? Father for all platforms. Self-belief out now.
But
blessed love. We have to do the works, you know, which is right. Bless up to the team here.
yeah, big up for your work, my G. Cool.
And then this is how we have to get signal. So this had the phone up with the ear track and signal. But they're right at Seaview. I point in a Flaggerman direction to try to get signal. So after Seaview, it's back on the road now, and we're heading to the Treasure Beach area. But before you reach Treasure Beach, you have to reach a place that is called Crossroads. And that is the intersection where you have Treasure Beach going to your left, and then you have Flaggerman going straight ahead. And after you pass through Flaggerman, you go through Barbary Hall, a lot of places. Eventually you reach to Black River. Generator. And just coming up on Treasure Beach, you could see that, yo, the damage here is different from the other parts of St. Elizabeth. Visible signs have fallen, every light post lean, house top gone, whether your house big or your house small, whether them consider you rich or poor, Beryl never spare the roof, them take it straight off. The party someone to your left now too. Damage. One hill, but they made the low part, you know. You have to leave the hillside, you can look down upon the beach.
What's a tree, man?
No, Jojo.
Oh God, everything outside.
Oh.
Unfortunately, camera batteries ran out, so phone battery dead, camera battery dead. And we eventually continued the trip to meet up with one of my friends. He's called Matthew Jones, and he was doing some work at the Turtle Sanctuary in Treasure Beach. So he was doing a lot of cleanup work. He was delivering drums, and he was also delivering water. And that was where we ended the trip for the evening. We did a lot of work, and we handed out some hurricane straps in the Treasure Beach area. And that was the assessment for this first trip. I am planning a next trip, and this video, I finished editing it around the 21st of July, and I'm going to go down the Thursday and Friday to deliver the bags of cement. I guess the amount of GoFundMe money I have, then I can determine how much things I need to buy. But for this trip, I'm going to see if I can get some zinc, some board, and some cement. That's going to be the main focus for this second trip going down, and that will be Thursday and Friday. That's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for the support so far, and thank you for putting in the real monetary contributions to make this plan a success. You know that we all can't be there to help physically, but if you can give it monetary, then help out. I'll put the GoFundMe link again down below in the video, and you can check it out. But my respect on you, my love on you, and big up on yourself. No future millionaires, remember say we're not only trying to get rich for ourselves, we're trying to get rich so that we can help out with communities also. Until next time, big up on yourself, and thank you so much.